guys, so today what video you're going to be seeing is of me pretty much just vacuuming our carpet and our furniture and then shampooing it because I am the only one home today, and I figured, you know what, now is my chance to go ahead and get this done. I've been wanting to do it for a while now, so I just went ahead and did it while I have the chance. What I ended up doing off camera was taking the cushion covers on the couch and putting them in the washer and then the dryer, and then I also took the curtains that are on the windows behind the couch and washed them in the washer and dryer as well, and just tried to get as much of like cat hair or anything, you know, that might get sucked up into the shampooer up off of the furniture and floor before I went in with the shampooer. So that's what you're seeing now. So all I used to clean and disinfect with the shampooer was really hot water, like as hot as I could get it from the faucet, and Mr. Clean plus some Dawn dishwashing liquid. And now I'm just going to plug it in and start shampooing the couch. I was just trying to make sure that I get the couch really good because there has been pop spilled and water. I don't know what all actually, to be honest. We try to eat and drink in the kitchen, but you know, sometimes we just sit in the living room and watch a movie or whatever, and it happens, you know, mistakes happen. Not only that, with any kind of fabric, you know, if you get a spill in it or it just anything, it, you know, it holds the smells in there, you know, with the fabric. It just stays in there, and sometimes everything just needs to be refreshed and cleaned really good. Does anybody else get relaxed using a shampooer? I know that might sound crazy, but just watching all of the stuff come out of the fabric or the carpet or whatever, you know, it just is satisfying. I mean, I know I'm not the only one, because there's videos on TikTok of, you know, people cleaning and doing it. There's videos on YouTube of it also, like the rugs and the carpets and all that, where they get like really deep cleaned really good, like professionally. I don't know why. I just like watching those videos, so I don't know. Just figured I'd see if I was the only one. So yeah, I'm gonna let it just play for a little bit without me talking, and I will pick back up whenever I start on the floor. Yeah, sorry about flipping the camera every which way. I was trying to get it situated to where it would pick up me doing the floor better, to where you guys could see. In that area, I was pulling up what I think to be spilled drinks. I do know for a fact that there was pop spilled, probably more than once. So, yeah. And it was coming up pretty good, so I just kept on trying to stay in that spot for, a little bit. And then around the back areas of the floor is where, people will walk through the door or just go ahead and walk through the house really quick. And basically, I was just trying to pull all of that off of the floor, which I know you're probably thinking, yeah, I know, that's why we're watching the video. That's what shampooers do. But I'm just trying to explain the video, so okay, I'll let you guys go ahead and watch it and be quiet. Also, I wanted to say really quickly, if you see me at any point walk off screen, basically I am going to dump the dirty water, because I believe you will see me do it. I did try to pause the video so that way I wasn't going for too long, but just in case it happens, that's what's going on. And now I am going to start on this lazy boy chair. Yeah, it's a pretty older one, but it's got to be clean too. The cats jump on the back of it and lay there, and everybody sits in it, so it deserves just as much love as everything else in this house. So it is getting cleaned. Right here I started having problems with the shampooer. I couldn't figure out what was going on because it wasn't spraying any of the cleaner out. But after messing with it, I started realizing that whenever I was pulling it, it was pulling it out of the attachment place. So I had to keep checking that and, you know, fixing it every so often. And if you see my mouth moving while I am shampooing the chair, I am listening to music in the background and jamming out while I am doing this. So that's probably what you're seeing. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done with this. I didn't want to make it too long because it's very repetitive, just basically shampooing everything and just trying to get everything clean with, you know, the shampooer or the vacuum or whatever. But yeah, it's all very much repetitive. I will post a picture at the end of the video of the finished product or what it looks like after the curtains are out of the dryer and the couch cushion covers are out of the dryer. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, month, year, and just thank you so much for your support, and I will see you guys next time.